We found 4 great sounding realistic VST instruments hidden in a free DAW. And we really have to tell you about them. Amazing basses, electric pianos and a great string section, but most of all the fantastic drum kit. So stick around to hear these instruments in action. After we installed the free DAW Cakewalk by Bandlab for a test, we also found 4 so-called studio instruments in our VST list that also can be used in other DAWs, if you know how to. We found a bass, an electric piano, a string section and a really fantastic drum kit. And these sounds are really impressive, a must-have in your collection. So let me briefly show and play these VSTs, and at the end of this video you will find out how you can get these instruments for free and how to implement them in your own personal DAW. And in the meantime, please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for new videos. Let's start with the bass. The sampled sound of the bass can be changed by some basic equalization, an overdrive and a compressor. That's already great for a free bass VST. And you might think there's only one bass sound, but when we opened the program browser we found 65 different sound samples and bass presets for all kinds of music. So let me play some of the sounds using the built-in MIDI files. Next, have a look at the electric piano. Also here some basic effects that are typical effects for an electric piano, like overdrive, chorus and tremolo. And besides the default electric piano, this VST has 45 different presets using sounds from the famous Rhodes and Wurlitzer pianos, but also from the Yamaha CP70 electric Rent. So let's listen to some of the sounds played with the built-in MIDI files. The third VST is the string section, and this is really amazing for a free VST. It has violins, cellos and basses, which can be independently panned, and the keyboard is split into these 3 sections. So the lower part of your keyboard will play the basses, the middle part plays the cellos and the right part will play the violins. And also here there are 45 different presets and most of them sound fantastic. Let me play some of them. We saved the best for last, the drum kit. Every single sound in this kit has a volume and panorama control that can also be changed in pitch. So when I play the snare, you can just turn the tuning much lower and higher. All sounds can be played on the keyboard and are also velocity sensitive, so the soft and loud hits are really different samples. And be amazed, this VST actually has 34 drum kits built in. So let's listen to some of these drum kits with one of the built-in MIDI rhythms playing. If you want these fantastic VSTs, you have to download the Bandlab Assistant from the website, sign up for a free Bandlab account and install Cakewalk through the Bandlab Assistant. It will install the complete DAW and the VSTs on your computer, and then, after installing, open your own DAW and add the VST folder path to the VSTs of your own DAW. This path will be something like C/program files/cakewalk/VST plugins. Check the information below for all the links to the downloads, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for new videos, and please share it with your friends.